third generation farmer here at Hall Farm, Cuxwold, which is a wold farm situated on the North Lincolnshire wolds.
James's journey, I believe, started probably about 10 years ago now. I think he had a trip abroad and got into the regenerative farming side of things from that trip.
The regenerative journey is all about trying to mimic a wild ecosystem.
So I've been working with James for 4 years now. It can be tricky at times because we are trying to actively use fewer inputs.
When you put nitrogen onto the soil, the first thing that really gets hold of it are bacteria. Now, bacteria, if you're feeding them nitrogen, they need a carbon source. CNB, or carbon N, or molasses, as probably most people would know it as, is a supply of carbon.
So carbon N-Bal, or CNB as it's often referred to, is a product marketed by Hutchinsons Agronomy. It's essentially a cane molasses product. It's a product that's sold into the agronomy industry as a liquid spray, largely to be mixed with nitrogen fertilisers, but not exclusively. Some people do use it as a direct foliar application, purely for its nutritional benefits, and indeed some people apply it to the soil to help with the soil food web. Generally we're supplying in IBCs, 1,000 litre IBCs, but we do have customers who we supply in bulk.
We'll put it in a mixture that we actually put into the ground with the drill, and if we're applying foliar products through a sprayer, again we mix it in the solution, the spray solution, and spray it either onto the soil or onto the foliage.
By adding that in, you can reduce the scorch on the crops, reduce the harmful effects of the fertiliser, and use it as a bit of a sacrificial input to stop burning carbon out of the soil.
It's so adaptable and so easy to essentially use as a bolt-on onto an existing product regime. You would probably be applying no more than 5 to 10 kilos per hectare with any one application. You would go with existing tank mixes and tank applications. You're not going with a specific application just for our product and adding cost into your system. We found the product dissolves and goes into solution incredibly easy.
So I've got several farms using the product. Anyone who's started to use it has continued to use it. They've not then moved away from the product, which I think is testament to what it's doing.
If you look at it in terms of net margin, we're very comparable with a conventional system, but at the same time we're building up a more sustainable system of farming.
There aren't too many farmers out there not using chemical nitrogens, so if you can have something that optimises the benefits of those, then it would be crazy not to use them.